Continue. Similarly, a person seeks to acquire, so next paragraph, acquire wealth and property. His intent in these endeavors should be to use these resources for the beneficial purposes, so that he will be able to maintain his personal existence. And the purpose of maintaining his existence should be to comprehend and know God for the fullest extent of his capacity. So as usual, let's go from the beginning of the paragraph, and we're going to explain a lot. Again, Rambam in his short paragraphs, he gives so much. So again, similar when a person seeks to acquire wealth and property. Wealth and property, okay. So I mean, again, if it's if it's only the goal is the wealth and property, that's a problem. But if it's for like wealth, so he can work less, for example, right, and property, so he would have a bigger family, and maybe he can have guests, and maybe his elderly mother can live with him, let's say, so he can take care of her, like all of these things. So property, big property, there is nothing wrong with that. So it depends how you're going to use it, right? So it's very interesting. Similar when the person seeks to acquire wealth and property, his intent in these endeavors should be to use these resources for beneficial purposes, right? So what will be beneficial purposes? So he wants to have a bigger apartment, let's say. So he has a separate study room, so like kids are not going to bother him every day. Like he can close the door, he can concentrate on things, right? So that's would be for a mitzvah. But if only to show off to people, so it's not a mitzvah, it's opposite. So that he will be able to maintain his personal existence, right? So to have money, there is no problem having money. Like all of these things, they're neutral. It depends how you're going to use them, for good or for bad. If with money, you can do a lot of good with money, and you can do a lot of bad with money. So it depends. Same with the cell phone. Right, some people say like they will break cell phones, so they told me like in smartphone in Yerushalayim in certain areas that we went. So like he said, hide your cell phone, you normal? I said, what's wrong? No, he said there are people like very zealous, I would say crazy, and they would come and they like take the phone from your hand, like rip the phone from your hand and just smash it on on the ground, and then curse on top of it. You understand? So in their mind, if you have a cell phone, it means that you're watching something inappropriate. But in my mind, I use the cell phone to do the classes. I do the cell phone to talk to people. I do like I use this smartphone to listen to the lecture, to watch the lecture, to share the lectures, to post the lectures online. Like I do so much, like. So it depends. Is cell phone bad? It's not bad. It depends how you use it. Same as here. Wealth is good. Yeah, if you help others, if you help your family, if you spend this money to send your children to the good yeshiva, if you can afford better neighborhood, Jewish neighborhood, so you move, right? Without money, it would be a little harder to move, right? So you can. You can eat like good food on a higher level. Okay, so money is good if you're using it properly. And the purpose of maintaining his existence should be to comprehend, to know God. So again, so all of these goals, it's to comprehend and know God. So now you have a place to live, you have some extra money, so you don't have to worry. Like let's say you don't have such a strong emunah, so at least you have like I don't know 6 months of rent that you can, or mortgage, whatever you have to pay in advance, so you feel a little secure. Okay, no problem. You have a job, you have this, you have that. So okay. So, but this must be for the goal to have a peace of mind, if you need that, right? To attach to HaShem. Okay.